With the 𝐏𝐫𝐨𝐝 Pulse single blade coffee grinder, fresh coffee is always just moments away. Before we get started, here's what's included in the box: the coffee grinder, grinding chamber, chamber cover, grinding lid, cleaning brush, user manual, and quick reference guide. The single blade grinding chamber is perfect for grinding coffee, salt, spices, and grains. To get started, place the coffee grinder on a hard flat surface and plug it in. Next, insert the grinding chamber into the grinder base and twist clockwise to lock it into place. Measure out your desired amount of coffee beans and place them into the grinding chamber. Twist clockwise again to lock it into place. Remember, the chamber cover and grinder lid are different parts, and the coffee grinder won't start until the grinder lid is locked in place. To begin grinding, press and hold the on-off button until your coffee grounds have reached the perfect size. While your coffee's brewing, cleanup can be done quickly and easily. Use the included cleaning brush to remove any remaining grounds inside the grinding chamber. Or simply place it in the dishwasher along with the grinder cover and lid. Finally, wipe down the exterior of the base with a cloth. Before you know it, your coffee will be ready.